talking about 2025, and the whole conversation around AI, it's completely changed. See, it's not just about tools that help us get work done faster anymore. Now, it's about AI that's actively working for us.
And this isn't just another software update. The entire landscape is shifting so fast that our whole relationship with technology, how we even define getting things done, is being totally rewritten.
The way we build, the way we design, the way we automate, it's all being turned on its head. So for professionals, adapting isn't really a choice, right? It's just what you have to do to stay in the game.
Because with this new generation of tools, we're not just checking tasks off a list anymore. We're actually creating intelligent systems.
So look, here's the bottom line. The tools we're about to walk through aren't just cool new toys. They're the new standard for what it means to work in tech. These are the top 5 you absolutely need to get your hands on.
First up, you know it. You've probably used it. ChatGPT. But I want you to forget what you think you know. Because in 2025, it is so much more than just a chatbot.
This right here, this slide just nails the shift. We're all moving away from that fragmented workflow, bouncing between one app for your code, another for your docs, a third for design, and into one completely integrated space.
This is ChatGPT's new job description. It's your super assistant. It all happens in one chat window. It's helping you debug code, it's drafting documentation, and it can even mock up UX flows. It's like it thinks, writes, and builds right there with you.
Okay, tool number 2. This one is a massive leap forward. Meet AutoGPT. This is the tool that really turns AI from a helpful assistant into a true autonomous agent. So get this. Instead of feeding it little prompts one by one, you just give it a goal, something like analyze our main competitor's entire marketing strategy. AutoGPT then goes off, makes a plan, starts executing the steps, does its own research online, and get this, it even corrects itself if it hits a snag. All of that without you having to babysit it. And that is the key takeaway here. It's a huge shift from reactive AI to proactive AI. You're not managing all the little steps anymore, you're just pointing it to the finish line, and the AI figures out the entire journey on its own. All right, next up is a name you probably recognize, but it's got a powerful new brain. Zapier. It's gone from being a simple automation tool to an intelligent connector that can actually make its own decisions. The magic is in this feature called AI Actions. It means you can set up workflows just by describing what you want in plain English. For instance, you can just tell it, hey, when a GitHub issue gets closed, use AI to summarize it and then post that summary in our team's Slack channel. Zapier doesn't just do the task, it actually understands the context. Now, Zapier is amazing for its simplicity. It really is. But what if you need more fine-grained control? What if you want to build really complex, multi-step AI workflows with your own custom logic? Well, that brings us perfectly to our 4th tool, Make.com. This is where you get some serious creative power for your automations, especially if you've got that developer mindset. Honestly, the best way to think about Make.com is exactly like this. It's like having a set of Lego blocks for building AI workflows. It gives you this visual drag-and-drop canvas where you can literally connect any app, any API, or any AI model you want to build some incredibly sophisticated systems.
And this is exactly why developers are loving it. You get the ease of a visual builder for all the main logic, but then you can just drop in your own custom Python scripts or connect to any weird API you need to. It's just this perfect mix of high-level creativity and low-level control.
And finally, our 5th tool. This one might just be the most underrated AI powerhouse of 2025, Google's NotebookLM. Seriously, this thing is a total game changer for anyone who deals with a lot of information. So here's how it works. You upload all your source material. We're talking internal docs, research papers, PDFs, meeting notes, maybe even your company's entire knowledge base. And instantly, NotebookLM becomes a dedicated subject matter expert that's been trained only on your data. This quote on the screen, it really just says it all. You can ask it to summarize a super complex report for your team, or explain a technical concept from your own documentation, or even generate a video script based on your notes. It makes all your information immediately useful and ready to go. So when you put all 5 of these tools together, you start to see a really clear picture emerge. This isn't just about a bunch of individual apps anymore. It's about building a whole ecosystem where different AI agents can work together.
This right here is the modern AI toolkit. You've got your all-in-one assistant with ChatGPT, your autonomous agent in AutoGPT, your smart app connector with Zapier, your visual workflow builder with Make.com, and your instant subject expert with NotebookLM.
And that leaves us with one last, really crucial thought. The most valuable skill in the next few years isn't going to be about writing more and more lines of code. It's going to be the ability to design, to orchestrate, and to manage intelligent systems that can think for themselves.
Hey, if you found this breakdown useful, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the tools and strategies that are shaping the future of automation. And we definitely want to hear from you. What AI topic or tool or crazy concept is on your mind? Drop a comment below and let us know what we should break down next. Thanks for tuning in.